Hello and welcome to the world of crocodiles. These ancient creatures have fascinated humans for centuries with their powerful presence and mysterious ways. These remarkable creatures are living fossils, virtually unchanged for over 200 million years. Their resilience and adaptability have allowed them to survive through the ages, witnessing the rise and fall of countless species. They swam with the dinosaurs, and today they still rule their watery domains. Their ability to thrive in both fresh and saltwater environments makes them formidable predators in a variety of habitats. Join me as we explore the fascinating life cycle of these ancient predators. From their stealthy hunting techniques to their nurturing parenting behaviors, crocodiles are full of surprises. Crocodiles are reptiles, but they are different from snakes or lizards. Their unique physiology sets them apart, making them one of the most efficient hunters in the animal kingdom. They are perfectly adapted for life in and out of water. Their strong limbs and webbed feet allow them to move with ease on land, while their streamlined bodies make them agile swimmers. Powerful tails propel them through the water. These tails are not just for swimming, they also serve as formidable weapons, capable of delivering powerful blows to their prey. Their nostrils and eyes sit high on their heads. This unique adaptation allows them to remain almost completely submerged, while still being able to see and breathe. This lets them breathe and see while mostly submerged. It gives them a stealth advantage, making them nearly invisible to unsuspecting prey. Crocodiles are found in tropical regions around the world. From Africa to Asia, Australia to the Americas, these ancient reptiles have adapted to a wide range of environments, from rivers and lakes to swamps and estuaries. These powerful reptiles are at the top of the food chain. Their diet is diverse, ranging from fish and birds to mammals and even other reptiles. Their hunting strategy is a combination of patience, stealth, and explosive power. But how do these amazing creatures grow from tiny eggs to powerful predators? Let's find out. The journey of a crocodile begins in a carefully constructed nest where the mother guards her eggs with fierce dedication. Once hatched, the young crocodiles face numerous challenges as they grow and learn to fend for themselves in a world full of dangers. Crocodiles are oviparous, which means they lay eggs. This fascinating reproductive strategy is shared by many reptiles, allowing them to produce multiple offspring at once. The breeding season varies depending on the species and location. For instance, some species may breed during the dry season, while others prefer the wet season, but it usually coincides with the rainy season. The increased availability of water and food resources during this time provides an ideal environment for raising young. During this time, male crocodiles become increasingly territorial. They patrol their territories aggressively, ensuring that rivals stay away from their chosen mates. They bellow loudly to attract mates and intimidate rivals. This vocalization can be heard over long distances, signaling their presence and dominance. Once a female chooses a mate, she builds a nest. This process involves gathering vegetation and mud to create a secure and insulated environment for her eggs. The nest is usually a mound of vegetation and mud. This structure helps to regulate temperature and humidity, crucial for the development of the embryos. The female carefully selects a site near water, as moisture is vital for the developing embryos. Proximity to water also ensures that the hatchlings can quickly reach a safe habitat after emerging. She lays dozens of eggs, carefully burying them within the nest. This protective covering helps to shield the eggs from predators and environmental fluctuations. Here's a fascinating fact. The sex of a crocodile is not determined by chromosomes, but by temperature. This unique mechanism is known as temperature-dependent sex determination. Warmer nests produce more males, while cooler nests produce more females. This natural phenomenon ensures a balanced sex ratio within the population. This temperature-dependent sex determination is a remarkable adaptation. It allows crocodiles to respond to environmental conditions, ensuring the survival and continuity of their species. The incubation period for crocodile eggs varies depending on the species, but it typically lasts between 70 and 90 days. During this time, the female crocodile fiercely guards her nest. She is incredibly protective of her unborn offspring. Inside the eggs, the embryos develop. They grow tiny teeth called egg teeth. These specialized teeth help them break free from their shells. As the hatchlings are ready to emerge, they start communicating with each other. They make chirping sounds inside the eggs. This synchronizes their hatching, increasing their chances of survival. The mother crocodile hears these chirps. She carefully excavates the nest, helping her hatchlings escape from the eggs. Newly hatched crocodiles are incredibly vulnerable. They're only about 12 inches long. Their soft skin needs time to harden. Thankfully, they have a dedicated protector, their mother. The mother crocodile gently carries her hatchlings to the water in her mouth. She will stay with them for several weeks, providing protection from predators. The hatchlings feed on insects, small fish and crustaceans. Their mother's presence ensures they can hunt in relative safety. She will defend them fiercely from birds, snakes, and even other crocodiles. This period of maternal care is crucial for the survival of the hatchlings. It allows them to grow and gain strength before venturing out on their own. As the young crocodiles grow, they become more independent. They start exploring their surroundings, venturing further from their mother's protection. Their diet expands to include larger prey, such as frogs, birds, and fish. During this juvenile stage, crocodiles learn crucial survival skills. They learn to hunt effectively, using their powerful tails to ambush prey. They develop their incredible swimming abilities, becoming masters of their watery world. These young crocodiles also learn to recognize their place in the social hierarchy. They observe older, more dominant crocodiles and learn to avoid conflict. As they approach subadulthood, crocodiles become increasingly independent. They start to establish their own territories, often competing with others for prime hunting grounds. Their bodies continue to grow, and their jaws become even more powerful. They develop the characteristic bony plates called scutes on their backs and necks. These scutes provide protection from predators and from attacks by other crocodiles. They are a sign of a crocodile approaching its full size and power. Subadult crocodiles are formidable predators. They are capable of taking down large prey, including fish, turtles, and even mammals that venture too close to the water's edge. Adult crocodiles are apex predators, reigning supreme at the top of the food chain. These formidable reptiles have been around for millions of years, evolving into the perfect hunters they are today. They can grow to enormous sizes, with some species reaching over 20 feet in length. Their sheer size and strength make them one of the most feared creatures in their habitat. Their powerful jaws can deliver a bite force of over 3,000 pounds per square inch, capable of crushing bones with ease. This incredible bite force is one of the strongest in the animal kingdom. Adult crocodiles are solitary creatures, except during the breeding season. They prefer to live alone, patrolling their territories and hunting for prey. They are fiercely territorial, defending their hunting grounds from rivals with unmatched ferocity. Any intruder is met with a swift and often violent response. They communicate with each other through a variety of vocalizations, including roars, growls, and hisses. These sounds can travel long distances, serving as warnings or mating calls. During the breeding season, males engage in impressive displays of strength and aggression to attract mates. These displays are not just about physical prowess, but also about establishing dominance. They bellow loudly, slap their heads against the water, and even lift their bodies out of the water to intimidate rivals. These dramatic behaviors ensure that only the strongest and most dominant males get the chance to mate, continuing the cycle of life in the river. Crocodiles are long-lived animals. Their lifespan varies depending on the species, but many can live for 70 years or more. However, they face numerous threats throughout their lives. Hatchlings are vulnerable to predation from birds, snakes, and even other crocodiles. As they grow, they face threats from humans who hunt them for their skin and meat. Habitat loss is another significant threat to crocodile populations worldwide. As humans continue to encroach on their natural habitats, crocodiles are losing the wetlands and rivers they need to survive. Thankfully, conservation efforts are underway to protect these incredible creatures. Many countries have established protected areas for crocodiles, and efforts are being made to reduce human-wildlife conflict. Crocodiles are essential members of their ecosystems. As apex predators, they help to regulate prey populations, ensuring a healthy balance within their habitats. They also play a vital role in maintaining the health of aquatic ecosystems. Their burrows provide shelter for other animals, and their feeding habits help to control fish populations. Protecting crocodiles is crucial for maintaining the biodiversity and ecological integrity of our planet. That's the remarkable life cycle of the crocodile, from tiny hatchlings to powerful predators. These ancient creatures continue to fascinate and inspire us, reminding us of the incredible diversity of life on Earth. Thank you for joining me on this journey into the world of crocodiles. Don't forget to subscribe for more incredible wildlife adventures, and let me know in the comments what animals you'd like to explore next. Until then, keep exploring the wonders of the natural world.